Hello, welcome. Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, this channel is all about programming, about app development, about game development, about incorporation of artificial intelligence. And you are watching a series of video about MapKit. It's one of my favorite framework that can utilize the full potential and full power of Apple's map, and the result is amazing. We previously just using one line of code to get the map up and running, which is really good. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of customization. So, for example, what about I would like say pinpoint the London Bridge? How to do that? Pretty simple. Let me just bring you the London Bridge, because if you want to pinpoint it, you need to get a coordinate. I think that's really, yeah, really straightforward. You got a coordinate, you are going to pinpoint it. Okay, so we get the London Bridge coordinate. So first, let me just copy it. Okay, so we can right click and copy it, whatever. And once you copy it, you can just copy and paste it here, in case I'm going to use it. So this is longitude and latitude. Okay, once you got that, you're going to input this in a certain format. You can't just use this N and W here. Okay, so how to do that? Pretty simple. You're going to use a marker, and of course this marker you have to provide the data in a format called the location coordinate 2D, because you're going to basically pinpoint things on 2D. You don't need to worry about the right side map. It will just automatically, everything that you are going to do will the Apple's map will adjust that accordingly. Okay, so once you got this ready, you can use the map, but this time I'm going to pass a certain data to the map rather than just use the sort of a general map. Okay, so this time I'm going to use marker to do that, which means that I'm going to add a marker to the map, like a coordinate to the map. Okay, and this marker will have a name. Okay, and this name will be say London Bridge. Okay, and cannot find marker. Sorry, it's not maker, but rather marker. And okay, I think we solved the complaint. And once you got the name, of course, you're going to provide the coordinates. So coordinates, and the coordinate should be conform to CO location coordinate 2D, which means that you're going to give a longitude as well as a latitude. So yeah, in order to provide this data, you can just hard coded it like this. You got the latitude, you got longitude, and just copy this data here, copy it, and just get the latitude and copy this data, and you got the longitude. Okay, so once you got that, you get the London Bridge pinpoint at a certain location, and let's just zoom it in and out, see whether the location is correct. I think the yeah, maybe it's pinpointed correctly, but on the map there is no bridge, which is a little bit weird. It does show the bridge above the River Thames, but there is no bridge here, so it's a little bit weird. Okay, so but I believe the coordinate we provide is accurate. So what is going on? Maybe because the rendering problem. Maybe because this is the yeah, we can't find the bridge, but I think it's approximately this place. Let me just cross-reference it by opening a Google map. Okay, so I know it's a little bit ironic. I need a Google map to cross-reference Apple's map, but I just want to get the London Bridge. Okay, and I'm going to get the map. Okay, I think we will. Yeah, so let's just click drag the London Bridge here. So at Google's map, we do have a bridge above it, but I don't know why at Apple's app we can't see London Bridge. Maybe I just provide the coordinates and see what will happen at here. Maybe the coordinates not correct. Okay, I provide the coordinate and the coordinate will give me exactly the place. Yeah, that's London Bridge, but at Apple's map I do not see the bridge. Okay, I don't know what's going on because I just tested and this place has just come out from nowhere. I just choose the first name that jumped to my head. So if anyone knows what's going on, just please leave in the comment section. I think I did everything right. Okay, and yeah, maybe just the map is not complete. Okay, and yeah, this is just one way of doing it, but definitely not the best way of doing it, because I call this thing as a hard coding, because you provide a certain magic number inside of your code. We usually don't do that, because if you would like to change it, if you like to maintain the code and change the code later, for example, you don't want a London Bridge, we want a coordinate in New York, say a flower shop in New York that you're going to meet someone there. You want to add that location, you want to change that location, but this code hard coded inside of the map, inside of the marker, is really hard to maintain. So what I'm going to do is to add an extension that's just sort of extend the location, and I can add a lot of places conform the CEO location coordinate 2D. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just show you. Okay, I don't want hard coded here, but rather unlike for example the marker, and I want to enter a certain coordinate, I just say the coordinate of London Bridge. Okay, so okay, I'm using camel casing because they got two words, and so the B will be capitalized. Okay, so how to do that? Pretty simple. I'm going to extend this CO location location coordinate 2D, and extend. Okay, I'm going to write the extension for that, and then inside of the extension I'm going to adding a lot of places. Okay, so for example, because these coordinates will not change in the future, because unless Earth is moving and some I don't know, asteroids hit the Earth, and yeah, the whole planet just got messed up. The longitude and latitude will not change most of the time. So even though I use var, I'm going to use static, and that var will be the London Bridge, because you're going to reference that using this name. I'm going to copy here, and of course that will be a CO coordinate 2D. Okay, and inside of this I can just say a coordinate of, so I can just say CL location 2D, and inside of it we got a longitude and latitude. Okay, so we got a latitude of this. Copy it and paste it here, and of course I got the longitude of this. Copy and paste it here. Okay, so every time I want to use that coordinate, I'll just reference that by the name, by the static verb, London Bridge, and I can just make it appear here. Okay. I'm sorry, I think I just missed a parenthesis here, so let me add it. Just make it didn't complain. Okay, so here I can get the same results, but this time it's much clearer. Even though, say, you hand your code to your coworker and your coworker don't know what you are working on, but they say, yeah, this is reference of a London Bridge, which is the extension CL location coordinate 2D, just a kind of storage to store the latitude as well as the longitude, and you add a marker to the map. Okay, and of course you can then say pinch it out to see the places where you place the marker on an invisible bridge. I don't know what is wrong with Apple's map, but yeah, hey, I got the London Bridge at the place where it exactly should be, and yeah, look amazing. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really need it. I'm trying to apply for YouTube Partner Program, and your help means a lot, and it might be the only source of revenue that I have. Okay, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you at the next video. By the way, I update video every day, so I will see you pretty soon. Bye.